Let's go.
Good evening, everyone.
Hey.
This is actually my first time here.
Second.
First time performing.
Oh, okay. Look at the
Don't count. All right. You scaled these walls, an expert at acrobatics. Whispered what sounded like more than nothings. Who knew they would be false semantics? I poured more than trust in you, giving you more than I intended. Forgetting what men often do, I was left with more than a heart that needed mending. The fault alone is mine. Love didn't consult my heart. Cupid thought the job was fine, but failed to finish what he chose to start. I should have rejected it quickly. My brain knew the truth. I recognized the look instantly, but I chose to play the fool. I told myself one day never came. Thought that if I stayed, he'd eventually see me the same. Fact is, I may have been important, but my love wasn't a factor. The focus on yourself was more than adamant, and as part of your life, I was a paid actor. Only living a minimum requirement, the wages were provided were nothing of what I wanted. Creating this desire to lay dormant were the emotions that left me haunted. Closing the floodgates of unaccepted feelings, I'm standing here next to you, and you can't even see me bleeding. Why must I always lose? This game that I didn't want to play, I didn't understand the rules. Had you seen me as a woman and not your prey, the love I could have given would have been of crown jewels. You forfeited the inheritance, letting go of a queen within a pauper. Had you only given up your arrogance, this love for you I wouldn't have had to slaughter.
Come on.